Hello, let's see a demo of the super checker workflow in Shoonya. This super checker flow has been added for validating the tasks which have been reviewed by a reviewer. So once a super checker logs into Shoonya, he can see the list of projects to which he has been assigned to. This is the project page which shows the project ID, the description, the type of the project, the status of the project, and the unassigned annotation task count in this project, unassigned review task count in this project, and the unassigned super check task count in this project. So this is the super check task tab. The user can click on pull new batch to access a set of tasks to be super checked. Initially, all the tasks will be under the unvalidated status. So this is the task dashboard which shows the ID of the task, the input text, the word count, the machine translation and its status. So in order to start validating, the user can either click on start validating now or click on validate to individually validate each task. So clicking on start validating now. This is the annotation page which shows the source sentence, the translation verified by the reviewer and the machine translation. And this is the context from where the sentence has been taken. So if the super checker feels that the reviewer's version is correct, then he can click on validated with no changes to accept the task as it is. Or if some changes are required, the super checker can just edit it and then accept it, by clicking on validated with changes. If the super checker feels that this translation is not valid altogether, then they can click on reject, after which the task will be sent back to the reviewer for correction. As with the other flows, the super checker can also skip a task or mark something as draft to be worked later on. This is the reports page of the super checker. So here the super checker's name, the email ID, the number of tasks which have been assigned to this user, the number which has been validated, the number of validated with changes tasks, unvalidated which shows the pending tasks to be validated. This is the draft task count, the skip task count, the rejected count, and this shows the average rejection loop value which indicates the average rejection rate of a task. In the case of the super check feature, there is a restriction on the number of times a particular super checker can reject a task. So this is set at a project level. So let us say this number has been set at 3 and the super checker has actually rejected a task thrice. Then that task will be added to this tasks rejected maximum time count. A user can also access the super checker status from the recent task tab. This concludes the super checker workflow. Thank you.